Hi, my name is Cassandra and I help people raise their vibration. So my intention for this video is to take some of the jargon and some of the woo-woo language out of spirituality and to bring you practical, realistic ways to relating to it. So my intention for this video is to help you understand synchronicities, how to help you understand the meaning behind 1111, what that means, and bring it down into layman's terms so you can understand it, and also to bring you some more clarity about yourself regarding synchronicities and to kind of help you along the way on your spiritual journey, on your spiritual awakening, and bring you some more clarity. What's up? If you're new here, welcome. If you're not new here, welcome back. My name is Cassandra. I'm just going to be using my regular real name from now on because I used to go by Cash on here, but it's just Cassandra. So my channel, my main channel, is kind of taking a twist and turn of a spirituality channel. So today we're going to be talking about synchronicities, but not just any synchronicities. We're going to be talking about 1111. So you've started your spiritual journey and you're starting to see a whole bunch of repeating numbers, and one of them is 1111. But what does that actually mean? Well, number 11 by itself is an ascended master number. So with life path numbers, I'm a life path number 11. There's 11, 22, and so on. So 1111, the number duplicated, it's just like a vibrational yes twice. Like whatever you were thinking about at the time of seeing 1111, whatever plans you were trying to manifest and you see 1111, it's like confirmation from the ascended master saying yes to whatever you're thinking about, or like you're on the right path. So a lot of people who are not into spirituality or who don't really know what numerology means or what synchronicities mean, they will simply say 1111, make a wish. It's not really making a wish. You've already made the wish, and it's basically the universe communicating that your wish is being granted. That's what it basically is. So you were thinking something, and that's your confirmation that you're on the right track. You're thinking the right thoughts. Also, 1111, a symbol of twin flames. So it's the 1111, it's the mirroring of the souls. It's the ascended masters. Most ascended masters, when they incarnate back onto earth, they incarnate as ascended masters that they've learned enough or a lot already in earth school, and they return to help raise the vibration, raise the consciousness of earth again. So it's a twin flame number, as well as it is just a synchronicity telling you and letting you know that you are in vibrational alignment. All right, so what 1111 basically means is that, to put it into a different perspective for you, there is something called the RCA in the brain. That is our selection section of the brain. RCA. This is what it stands for here. So once we select in our brain that the number 1111 means something to us, we start to consciously become more aware of that because we have placed a meaning behind it. So for example, like Freddy Krueger, Friday the 13th, a lot of people associate the number 13 with bad luck or being unlucky. A lot of hotels don't even have a 13th floor because of superstition. If Friday falls on the 13th, people will be like, oh, Friday the 13th, Friday the 13th. There's this skepticism around it because people have created that and labeled that number to be a superstition. A lot of people have also labeled the number 666 with a negative preconceived notion, and because people have this negative perspective around it, they automatically think that it's evil. But it's not really evil. It's that you gave this number meaning, just like you gave the number 13 meaning, just like you gave the number 1111 meaning. And if you take that meaning away from it, the number no longer has that value, whether it's positive or negative. It's you that is assigning that number significance. So when we bring awareness to ourselves and we focus on that number, that is a confirmation from our angels, that is confirmation from our spirit guides, that is God talking to us through numbers. That brings your awareness to that number more, and you start to see it more frequently, because that selection section in your brain, that RCA, is letting you know that you have actually given this number more significance and more meaning for you to draw it into your frequency and to view that number in a positive light. It goes both ways of the spectrum. You can see it as negative or positive. Okay, so basically everything in the universe is essentially neutral, and anything doesn't have meaning unless you give it meaning. So all the synchronicities, it basically mean that you gave it meaning to it. And having a synchronicity mean something to you, that's just a byproduct of you knowing that your thoughts, your beliefs, and your actions are consciously creating your life. So by you, that's just a byproduct of you giving things a positive meaning in your life, and so therefore you will get more positive meanings, positive synchronicities in return, because you're in that vibrational alignment. So if it's positive for you, that's a good thing. If it resonates with you, that's a good thing. So just to recap, the reason why we give significance to certain numbers is because that RCA part of our brain, that selective section in our brain, seeks out patterns and sees the patterns and then assigns a meaning to it. But the power really is what you give it power. The power really comes from you. It doesn't come from the number. The meaning is what you assign it to. So without you giving the power to the number, it really doesn't have significance unless if you give it to the number. And that's why it's important to decide your definitions for life. So with that being said, I don't have anything else to say. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.